welcome to my channel Nimble Prerana. In this video, I'm going to share my first international travel to Hiroshima for a conference during May 27, 2019 for a week span. It is my first international conference as well, so we got only last day to visit nearby places. So we have tried to visit Hiroshima town in the evenings and in the mornings and in the afternoons whenever it's possible. The conference held near the Peace Memorial Park, which is close to Bomb Dome. So it became easier for us to visit these places without any hassle. The travel, we have boarded from Chennai around 11 in the morning, then to Delhi. From Delhi around 8 p.m. in the night to Tokyo, Narita Airport. We reached around morning in the Narita Airport, and it's my first travel, so we are unable to find the food source where basically I don't eat beef and pork, so I need to find the foods which are not having these items. So it became little difficult, but fortunately we are able to trace out these convenience stores. So we are able to find some snacks and bananas, fruits. And the airport itself, it's very good and it's very big to explore. So we have a flight to Hiroshima in the evening. So we have to wait in the airport till the evening. So we explored some time on the terrace where we can see this boarding and landing and takeoff flights, and also we took some rest in the airport itself. So we boarded the flight to Hiroshima in the evening and we reached in the night. So some of the photos you can see till the Hiroshima, traveling in the Hiroshima, way to Hiroshima title with the photo slides now. So some of them are there with the night shots also you can find in this sequence of slides. It's unplanned for videos, so I took only the photo shots which I am trying to show the best possible way. So we reached in the hotel in the Hiroshima and we took some rest. But the story in the Hiroshima is that we reached airport and we reached a hotel, but before reaching hotel we have to walk some distance and it was raining. That's little funny story, but still fine, we reached. So it's all good. So the next day onwards we had a conference in a Japanese style, and I mean the punctuality and the schedule is very good. And then we have visited Hiroshima nearby places, and including this bomb dome where you can see this bomb dome in the slides now. So there is old Second World War time, the building, they are still protecting the building which is destroyed that time. But the surroundings area, I can't find it's like damaged or anything. It's very well developed again. So you can see the big buildings and the roads and all well maintained and well developed. So it's almost like they can't find any damage or something devastated or like that. It's very good and well maintained. So the last day we got time, so we planned to go to Miyajima or Istsukreshima island, which is almost 1 hour travel from Hiroshima. So we boarded the local train and we catched the train and we went to nearby place where we need to catch a boat or ferry to the island. So you can see that island photos and these boats on the way. This island is very beautiful, which the water on this end, the scenery when we go in the boat, it's like heaven. We can go to the we can say the open area in the ferry where we can feel the wind breezes and the cold weather. It's very beautiful. We have enjoyed a lot. Me and two more our seniors, we went together. and then inside that island, the first beauty is that the floating shrine. Shrine means they call for temples or something. So the shrine they call it's Itsukreshima shrine. So that is very good. Like in the daytime, it will be visible. In the evening, it will be full like that. So and then the last day we came to Tokyo and we visited Asakusa temple, and we have returned the back. The next travel we have on in just 2 days. It's for internship, so how to come back for visa. That experience I'll share very soon. That's all for now. Thank you.